What's up, everybody? Jay Detter back with another Busting Packs box break review. This is Pinnacle 2013-2014. I'll go ahead and tell you, if you like subsets, if you like getting packs for kids, this will probably be the product for you. This would be a great starter to get somebody into collecting. Because there's so many different sets, and since there's so many different sets, you're going to get the big time players like Kevin Durant or Kobe or LeBron, most likely within a box of this. So if that's what you're looking for, then Pinnacle will probably be it. 2 autographs, 1 memorabilia on average for this. I opened 1 pack of it at the LCS. I didn't know if I should get a box. I figured I'd let everybody break it, see what it looked like. But tons of sets. Let's see what we got. Lots of base too, so if you like that, then this will probably be it. Lots of rookie cards. We'll go to the middle here. Starting out with, I don't know what they're called, but there's a Ray McCallum insert. A Serge Ibaka artist print. Artist proof, not numbered. Pau Gasol, Team Pinnacle. Scoring Kings. Not to be confused with the Scoring Kings from Ultra, which was one of my favorite sets. Magic Numbers, or Behind the Numbers, Magic Johnson. And Team 2020 of Ben McLemore. I thought it was going to be a autograph. That's what I was hoping for, at least. So, got that down. Some of the artist proof are numbered and some of them aren't. I don't really know how or why Panini did that. Just tons and tons of cards, which is a good thing. Weird. Imagine pulling an autograph of this guy. How do you pronounce his name? Oh my goodness. Otto Porter, artist proof. You see that? 1 of 1. Oh, nice. Can't go wrong with a 1 of 1 anytime. Otto Porter, number 3 pick in the draft. So, boom. Hold on 1 second. Call you back in a minute. Busy, call you back in a minute. Halftime inning, sorry about that. Middle of a tight ACC game here. Mike Conley, artist proof of Jared Sullinger, not numbered. I like this insert. This one looks pretty nice. The Naturals, David Robinson, not numbered. Big Bang, Andre Kirilenko. Awaiting the Call, Kevin Garnett. And John Wall, 2020. They've got a tough backcourt for anybody to face in the future with him and Bill. Yikes. I know my Bobcats, we don't have anybody to compete with that. Or should I say Charlotte Hornets. Pero. I got him upside down. Sorry about this. They're every which way. They must have been coming out in the machine like that. And first up, we have a clear vision of John Wall, first quarter. These are not numbered. I know for a fact the fourth quarter is 12. Maybe third quarter is 24 and second is 36, but I'm not, don't hold me to that. It's a nice little insert. Ricky Ledoux, Elias Harris. Here's another nice insert. LeBron James Jam Fest. This is why it's great for anybody, because, it's always good to hit a LeBron. So, then we have a Z Team Pinnacle of Damian Lillard, Rookie of the Year last year. Position Powers, Pistol Pete, and Team 2020 Norris Cole. Jeez, how many times are we going upside down? Bill Walton. Can't stand to listen to him on a ESPN cast. He's like, "Oh, the birds are beautiful today here in California." I know, not the best impersonation. Nerlens Noel, who said last week that he wanted to come back this season. I don't know why. The Sixers are tanking, to say the least. Giannis Antetokounmpo. McLemore, Ryan Kelly, Aduki, Austin Rivers, John Henson, Tar Heel. Oh, we've got a redemption. We've got a redemption. We'll hold it off till the end. Sessions. Not numbered. Here's the Naturals again, Ray Allen. Big Bang, David Lee. Awaiting the call. And a scoring king of Kobe Bryant, and this is an artist proof. So, there's a parallel. Jimmer. I know Serge said he was a Jimmer fan, so we'll have to see how that goes on the Bulls. Speaking of Jimmer, Randy's Hobby has one of the best Jimmer collections I've ever seen. Head on over to Sports Card Album and check that out. And our redemption, is for Tom Heinsohn, Pinnacle of Success autographs. I think this is the clear acetate ones of a Celtics legend. So that's not bad right there. Overall, this product hasn't been too bad so far. Blake Griffin, the Naturals, and that is an artist proof. Once again, I don't know what the difference between an artist proof and just the regular card is. I don't know if there's any. He's really playing well this year. Actually, should be in the MVP talk. Ty Lawson. Here's an artist proof of Michael Carter Williams, likely the NBA Rookie of the Year. Jam Fest of Dominique Wilkins. Kevin Durant, Z-Team. Position Powers, LeBron James. So once again, and goodness, these are nice inserts this time. Team 2020, Kyrie Irving. Those are star-studded inserts. So, like you can see, tons and tons of cards. So, if you want to start out on something, I would definitely recommend this product. Vitor. Kevin Durant. Followed up by LeBron James. And I just said his name earlier, but Vitor Favrani for the Boston Celtics with the spin. Solomon Hill Artist Proof. Tim Duncan Team Pinnacle. Wilt Chamberlain Scoring Kings. Ricky Rubio with Behind the Numbers. Damian Lillard Artist Proof. Not numbered. Check, make sure there's no other artist proof. So we are still missing a autograph and a memorabilia card. Reggie Bullock, Tar Heel. Harrison Barnes, Tar Heel. Alright, we've got another first quarter of, or clear vision first quarter of Derek Favors. Performers, nice. Kyrie Irving, 22.5 points per game in 2012-2013. Your 2011 Rookie of the Year, and that is not numbered. Archie Goodwin, Artist Proof of Cody Zeller. Kevin Love, Team Pinnacle, Scoring Kings, Dominique Wilkins. Behind the Numbers, Dennis Rodman. And Brandon Knight, Team 2020. So, I'm liking this product more and more. Terry Gibbons. Victor Oladipo. Sorry, let me bring these down. Cody Zeller. Ricky Card. Michael Carter Williams. Jam Fest. Artist Proof of DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. They've got him really playing well this year. Your newest member of the Indiana Pacers, Evan Turner. Paul Pierce, Artist Proof, not numbered. Yao Ming with the Naturals. Kevin Love, Big Bang. Await the call, Chris Paul. And then, Team 2020, Kawhi Leonard. This is a great set if you want to teach, people about the game. You can go through so many players. So, 2 packs left. Still waiting on our second autograph. I think Walters really has a following in Milwaukee. Oops, let me pull this back. Nice! Nice! Tell you what, I broke Timeless Treasures, couldn't pronounce his name. I'll pronounce it this time. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Not numbered, but that is awesome. One of the best rookies to get. So, the Greek Freak. Gordy Jang, Artist Proof of Mason Plumlee. Team Pinnacle, Blake Griffin. Scoring Kings of John Havlicek. Shaquille O'Neal, Behind the Numbers. And Victor Oladipo, Team 2020. So that would be all of our guaranteed hits that we were supposed to get. We got them. Anthony Bennett. He's coming around the second half of this season. Had an awful first half, being the #1 overall pick. But what do you expect when he was just a freshman coming out? And he went to the wrong team because they were already pretty loaded at that position. We have another first quarter clear vision of George Gervin, Luis Scola, Victor Oladipo Artist Proof, Jamfest Paul George, nice, another nice insert, Kobe Bryant Z-Team, Position Powers Dennis Rodman, and to top it off we have a Team 2020 Michael Carter Williams. And this should be just base. John Stockton, Tristan Thompson. So, to recap here, we had a Giannis autograph, a Kyrie Irving Performers jersey card. I put this over there just because it was a nice hit. Artist Proof, Blake Griffin, the Naturals, Pinnacle of Success autographs. Focus. Tommy Heinsohn. That's Scoring Kings Artist Proof, Kobe Bryant. Always nice to hit LeBron James. And then Artist Proof 1 of 1 Otto Porter. Corners and edges are a little roughed up, so I wouldn't say this would be a gradable card if you're looking for a 9.5. But oh, that was an awesome hit. So appreciate you watching for all 17 minutes, and be sure to check out bustinpacks.com, and be sure to check out Sports Card Album, because these cards will probably be loaded up there later today.